Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to change default font in Outlook. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply open up your Outlook app into your desktop, and from here just go to File at the top left corner of the screen. And from here guys, just simply go ahead and go to Options over here down below on the bottom left. And once you click on the options, just simply go ahead and go to the Mail over here. And now from here, you should be able to see here stationery and fonts. So just simply click on this. And guys, you will have multiple options here. So you can change the font for the new mail messages. You can change the font for replying or forwarding messages. And you can change the font for composing and reading plain text messages. So in order for you to change it, just click on the font over here. And as you can see, you will have here a detailed option for your font. So you can change the font over here, and you can change the font size and the size as well. You can change the font color. You can have an underline style. You can have an underline color. So this will be depending on you. And from there, once you are done, you can just simply click on set as default and click on OK. And if you want to have more options, you can just click on over here, advanced. And from here, you will have more very detailed options for your font. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.